Ever wonder about the journey of the food that graces your plate each day? It's an intricate voyage that transforms a seed into a scrumptious meal. But how often do we stop to consider this? Understanding where our food comes from opens up a world of benefits. It gives us assurance about the nutritional value we're consuming and the safety of our meals. Imagine the possibilities if we instill this knowledge and appreciation in our children early on. What if we could bring this understanding to our children from a young age? Imagine a school in a bustling city, transforming unused space into a thriving vegetable garden. Picture a small patch of land, once overlooked, now teeming with life, as students plant seeds and nurture them into flourishing plants. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that one school brought to life, turning an ordinary schoolyard into a verdant oasis. The initiative began simply. The school identified a small, unused area and decided to put it to good use. With a few packets of seeds, a couple of watering cans, and a whole lot of enthusiasm, the students embarked on a journey of discovery and growth. They dug into the earth, planted their seeds, and watched as, day by day, the plants sprouted and grew. But this was more than just a gardening project. It was a hands-on, immersive learning experience. The students not only learned about the process of planting, tending, and harvesting vegetables, they also discovered the joy of watching their efforts bear fruit. Each tomato picked, each carrot harvested, was a testament to their hard work and dedication. The excitement and curiosity that this project sparked were palpable. As the students watched their plants grow, they started asking questions about where their food comes from, how it's grown, and why it matters. This initiative sparked a new understanding, a newfound respect for the effort it takes to grow food and the importance of sustainable practices. The students not only learned about the process of growing food, but also developed a deep appreciation for the effort it takes and the importance of sustainable practices. So, what was the impact of this initiative, you ask? Well, it was truly transformative. Students began to make healthier food choices, choosing fresh veggies over processed snacks. Parents got involved too, bringing the community closer together. The project also led to a significant reduction in food waste. But, perhaps most importantly, it increased awareness about our environment. A newfound respect for Mother Earth started to grow within each student. This simple garden transformed the way an entire school community thought about food. Now think about the potential of a vegetable garden in every school. Imagine the knowledge it could instill in our children about the food they eat, the work it takes to grow it, and the impact they can have on their own health and the planet. This is an opportunity to connect communities, foster a love for nature, and promote a lifestyle that values health and sustainability. Support a school vegetable garden initiative today and help plant the seeds for a healthier, more sustainable future.